In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit your Ionos website in just about 5 minutes. Editing your website might seem like a daunting task, especially if you're not familiar with the platform, but don't worry, I'll guide you step by step to make the process as smooth as possible. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the Ionos homepage. You can do this by searching for Ionos in your preferred search engine or by typing the website directly into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll see a clean interface with several options. Don't get overwhelmed, just look for the Sign In option at the top right corner and click on it. Next, select Customer Account from the options that appear. This will take you to the login area. You may need to click the Sign In button again. This is normal and part of the process. Now, enter the email address you used when creating your account and click Next. After that, type in your password, making sure everything is correct since passwords are case sensitive. Then click Next again to access your dashboard. Once you're inside your dashboard, navigate to the Websites and Shops section. This is where you manage everything related to your website. Here, you'll see a list of your domains. Click on the domain you want to edit. This will take you to the back end of your website where you can start making changes. Now you're ready to edit your site. You can update text, change images, adjust layouts, or even add new pages. Take your time exploring the tools available and experiment with different designs to match your brand and improve user experience. Editing your Ionos website is straightforward thanks to its user-friendly interface. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to contact their support team for help. Keeping your website updated and engaging is essential in today's digital world. It's often the first impression customers have of your business, so make sure it represents you well. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.